How to create highlight without adding to story on Instagram. In this video, I will show you how can you easily add any story to your highlight without adding to your Instagram story first. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, click on the three lines at the top right corner and search below to go for the option of hide story and live. You will see the option under the category of who can see your content. Once you click on it, you are supposed to choose from whom you want to hide your story. As I have no followers in this account, so there's no user found, but you will see the list of your followers. Choose each one of the follower from whom you want to hide your story. After that, create your story and then there will be new view. Once your story has been created, wait for 24 hours for it to go to archive. You can easily access that story by clicking on archive, and to create a highlight, go to your profile and click on new. After that, you will see the option of story that has been uploaded and choose the option, and that's all. That is how easily you can create highlight on your Instagram without adding it to story first. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.